Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you looking to pamper your little fur baby with a super soft, comfy, squishy, and adorable cat bed? I was looking for something that would hit all of those marks when I got this cat bed from CWV. My baby cat Scully absolutely loves it. She's 12 weeks old and, as you can see, only takes up a small amount of this bed. So this bed really could accommodate multiple cats. I love the colors too. The green and the pink really complement each other well. And there's also a brown side if you want to flip the pillow over. And it has a different texture. So depending on what your cat likes, you might want to flip it or keep it on the green side. It's so comfortable that my husband's even used it when he wants to take a nap on the floor. When I first put Scully inside the bed, she didn't really want to stay in there. So I just pet her for a few seconds and then she snuggled into it. And now she chooses it even when I'm not around. I think your cat is going to love this bed and you're going to love that they love it. And that's my point of view.